Easy and Fun!
Shall we learn the alphabet now? Here we go!